What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. This is restock number 2 out of the quarantine restocks, so make sure you go ahead and check out our slime shop if you are really bored during this quarantine season and just need something to play with. We do have lower pricing for each slime, starting at just $10 for an 8-ounce slime, which is a steal, and yeah, it's pretty good. So just go ahead and check out the shop. We do open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if you live in a different time zone, you might want to convert that so that you are early, so that you are guaranteed to get the slime that you want. Alrighty, so we're kicking off this restock video with a brand new slime. This one is called Fried Ice Cream, and it is a layered slime. So it has a caramel scented jelly slime at the bottom, and then on the top it has a fried ice cream scented clay slime. It's super nice. When you mix it together, it's really fun, and I love all the little add-ins. There are almond slice Fimo slices in there, as well as some yellow foam beads just to kind of represent the outer crust of a fried ice cream. And the slime is just really fun and squishy, fun to mix, and it's just really nice. I love the end color as well because it's really light. If you wanted to, you could even dye this a new color once you mix it together. It's totally up to you. I just really love the creaminess of it, and it's really fun to play with. KAWAII Cream is another new slime to the shop. Surprise, surprise. This one is pink and purple swirled cloud cream, and it is scented just like sakura lemonade or Japanese cherry blossom lemonade. It smells really, really good, and it is actually rolled in glitters as well. There are some holographic butterfly glitters and pink and purple chunky sugar paper glitter as well, and it is topped off with those glitters as well. It's swirled together. It looks super pretty and adorable. I just love the end result color as well. It looks almost periwinkle, like a periwinkle kind of purple color. It's just beautiful, and I love it so much. The texture of it is super creamy, super thick, but gives great bubble pop still. It's amazing. I really love my cloud creams, so check it out if you haven't had one of mine yet. Goldfish Melt is a pineapple upside down cake scented school glue thickie, and it comes with a little goldfish cracker charm. It's super, super cute. I really love the color of this slime because it looks like cheese, but it smells like pineapple upside down cake. It smells so good. I don't have a cheese scent that I like, and I haven't found one that doesn't make me want to vomit. So that is why I just went ahead and scented it with the pineapple upside down cake. It's a fan favorite scent because I used to use it in a lot of other slimes, and y'all seem to really like it, so that is why I went with this one. It smells super good. I love how it looks like melted cheese, and then you get that little goldfish cracker on top. It's just so cute. Fruit Salad Crunch is a white glue microfloam scented like a mixture of a bunch of fruits and marshmallows. There's actually 8 different scents in here that I blended together to make this slime. It smells amazing. You definitely have to check it out for the scent alone, but the texture as well is super nice and crunchy and bubbly. It's just really nice, and I love it so much. There are fruit Fimo slices packed in this slime as well as the microfoam beads, and then it comes topped off with 2 large random fruit Fimo slices. Now, if you've been following my shop for a while, you are definitely familiar with this slime. This is Chanel number 2. It is my #1 bestseller in the shop. It is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. It's perfect for any type of slimer, whether you're a beginner or if you're an expert slimer. It's perfect for you. It doesn't melt very easily, and it is great and holdable. So if you just want to sit on the couch and play with this slime, this is definitely going to be the one for that. It is just amazing. I love the bubblegum scent, and everybody really likes this slime. I've never had a complaint with this slime before, so that should tell you something. It's been over 2 years already. Dragonfruit Limeade is a jelly slime scented just like the name. It's not even fully clear yet, and it is still gorgeous. I love it so much. There are a lot of add-ins in this jelly slime here. There are lime fruit slices as well as dragonfruit fruit slices, obviously, because it's Dragonfruit Limeade. There are also some black seeds in there just to represent the seeds from the dragonfruit. And there's also various glitters in there as well as fishbowl beads. So there are like magenta, pinkish kind of fishbowl beads to represent the dragon fruit, and then of course green ones to represent the lime. And last but most certainly not least, we have Baja Blast, which is my second bestseller in the shop. This is an icy cloud dough kind of hybrid slime. It's a lot more fluffier, I would say, than a average icy slime, and it's scented just like Baja Blast soda. So if you've never had Baja Blast soda from Taco Bell or anywhere, it's basically just a tropical version of Mountain Dew. So just think of like pineapple and blue raspberry notes added into Mountain Dew. It smells so good. Alrighty, y'all, well that is pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Don't forget the shop does open today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so make sure you check your local time zone and convert if you need to Central Standard Time. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!